Hello everybody, welcome to Torres Math. Today we are going to work out on this equation, this exponential, and we have 4 to the power of x minus 6 to the minus 6 2 to the power of 2x plus 8 is equals to 0. So what we are going to do first is, we know 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2, so we are going to go on to say 2 to the power of 2 factor of x minus 6 2 to the power of 2x plus 8 is equals to 0. Now this one is just the same as 2 to the power of x or to the power of 2 minus 6 to the power of 2 to the power of x plus 8 is equals to 0. Now because we have this, we cannot factor out 2 to the power of x, so we are going to say let 2 to the power of x equals to y. So now let's replace 2 to the power of x in our equation with y, and this becomes y squared minus 6y plus 8 is equals to 0. You remember the factorization. If you don't remember, please check the video in my profile. So remember, you multiply y squared, the first term, with this last term, and we are going to get, let me put it here, so y squared times 8 becomes plus 8y squared, and you take the middle term, which is minus 6y. Now we want the factors that when we multiply we get 8y squared, and when we subtract we get minus 6y, and the factors will be minus 4y and minus 2y. So we take these factors and replace in the middle term. So this becomes y squared minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equals to 0. Now we have the common factor here on the first two terms, which is y. So let's take out y, and becomes y minus 4. On the last two terms we have minus 2, factor of y minus 4 is equals to 0. This term and this term is the same, so y minus 4 and this one makes their own bracket, which is y minus 2 is equals to 0. So this means we are going to have two answers. So we are going to say either either y minus 4 is equals to 0, which gives us y is equals to 4. Yeah, and we haven't found the value of x. Remember, we said let 2x is equals to y. So now 2 to the power of x is equals to y, and 2 to the power of x is equals to 4, and which is the same as 2 to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 2, the base being the same, therefore x is equals to 2. So this is the first value that we have found. So we said either y is equals to y is minus 4 is equals to 0. So now we need to find another value of x. So now we equate this to 0. So y minus 2 is equals to 0, which is y is equals to 2. But because we say 2 to the power of x is equals to y, 2 to the power of x is equals to y. So 2 to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 1. Base being the same, therefore x is equals to 1. So these are the values that we have, x being 2 or x being 1. So now we want to verify. Let's verify if our answers are correct. So the first one, remember let's verify x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2, and our equation is 4 to the power of x minus 6 2 to the power of x plus 8 is equals to 0. Let's put 2. So 4 to the power of 2 minus 6 factor of 2 to the power of 2 plus 8 is equals to 0. So this side should be 0 for it to be proved. So this becomes 16 minus 6 times 4 plus 8 is equals to 0. Let's add this, and this becomes 24 minus what is this one, this becomes 24 as well, is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. This is proved. Now let's prove x is equals to 1, this one. And our equation is 4 to the power of x minus 6 factor of 2 to the power of x plus 8 is equals to 0. So now 4 to the power of 1 minus 6 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 8 is equals to 0. Let's add 4 plus 8, we get 12. Minus, what is 6 times 2? We get minus 12 is equals to 0. 12 minus 12, 0 is equals to 0. Therefore proved. Therefore our x values is equals to 2 or 1. These are our values. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends. Bye.